Today's gonna be a simple video, because this is not gonna be a skit like I keep doing. Like I haven't posted a video in like 10 days. So we are gonna troll people with anything. That could be a grenade, a gun, an RPG, dynamite, this. Frick, it could even be this. I could just tell them come kill me and just use that on them. My dynamite! And then obviously I could just get these. Or these. I could even just, like, I could just troll people by doing it. But that's probably not gonna happen because, yeah, I'm on cooldown. Let's go. Hey, bro, wait. Would if you die ruin your day?
I don't know, I'm just trying to find the space area so I can get some crystals.
Damn.
Oh, dang.
Yo, bro. Dude. I got red watch for no reason. I was walking around and I just got red watch.
But,
Okay, I don't care.
trying to...
I killed him for you. He was trying to kill me. Got him. Yo, get.
Right.
That's crazy. You got up.
Right here,
You, honey boy.
Where are you?
Let's go! Alright, then come out,
Jeez.
spot. Alright, come out.
Red wall.
Hey, right.
That was my kill.
Shut up.
Red wall.
No! Who is bombing the server? Oh my days, he's dead!
Yo. Free kill.
Hey, I died. I died.
Blue, bro.
Was it by the little green kid?
You fat ass. Blue.
No, it was like... Yeah, it was. Where...
Hi. I've got nothing. Bro. Yo, do you want us to get you a flag gun? Blue, can you look at me? It's actually annoying. Blue, stop. Stop while I'm shooting you right now. Blue, stop.
Yeah, red watch if I don't hesitate, bro. I'm on Sim! What's wrong with
My diamond sword.
trash. The first response of
Here is red
watch. Shut up! What the heck? Shut the fuck!
I think.
He's just like barrel roll.
I'm doing an army roll.
How is he doing a barrel roll? He's just doing rolls in his shit, bro. What the fuck?
Barrel roll.
That's crazy.
Barrel roll.
That's mad.
Barrel roll.
That's it. Cross is crazy. Is he
gonna
out straight?
Hi, Rex.
I got the old.
Oh, man.
I swear to God, I got the old. Get him. Never mind.
Don't get
Now the room gets chiller.
Hey, oh my God.
Get killable on the roof, dumbasses.
I got a Glock 19. No!